Frappe Assistant HR Agent. HR Agent is an AI powered recruitment assistant that automates resume screening, scores candidates instantly, and helps HR teams make faster, smarter hiring decisions. The individual applicant screening mode in the HR agent evaluates each job applicant individually using AI. It reads the resume, scores the candidates against the job requirements, and instantly tells you how well they fit. You get a clear fit score, a skill summary, and a detailed insight, all automatically with no manual work. And it all happens right inside your hiring workflow. Before we begin with the individual applicant screening flow, we first configure the agent in the HR agent settings doc tab. Here we select the provider and enter the required LLM details such as the API key, model and token configuration, and then enable the HR agent. Next, we provide the FEC credentials including the API key and API secret. Once this is done, under the screening mode, we enable the individual applicant screening to proceed with this flow. We then configure the required details under agent identity. Next, under runtime controls, we can define parameters such as retry attempts and timeout per resume along with the other optional settings. Finally, under the feature toggles, we enable manual reruns which allows us to rescore or reevaluate an applicant if needed. Once this is complete, we proceed to configure the job opening role. In the job opening doc type, we select the existing role or create a new role for which candidates are hired. Under the job role, the mandatory details are being filled in along with the description of what the job role is. Next, under the AI shortlisting criteria, we define the scoring criteria based on which the candidate is scored and shortlisted. These criteria are default criteria that exist once the user installs the app. They can be seen in the scoring criteria doc type, where the weight and the description for each of these criteria are being mentioned here. Any additional required criteria can be added and used for shortlisting purposes. Once this is set up, we move to the job applicant doc type where applicants are created and sent for AI review. As you can see, we start by creating a new job applicant and filling in the required details, including attaching the candidate's resume. Once this is done, under Actions, we send the applicant for AI review. At this stage, the HR agent automatically extracts the resume, compares it against the job specific scoring criteria, and begins the evaluation process in the background. We notice that the status is AI review in progress. In parallel, every evaluation is logged in the HR agent run list, where we can track key details such as the applicant job role, processing duration, and model usage. This ensures complete visibility and auditability of the process. Once the evaluation is complete, we return to the job applicant and see the final fit score along with the candidate summary populated. Under the Candidate Summary tab, we see a clear and concise overview of the applicant, including their fit score and fit level based on the defined evaluation criteria. The system also highlights skills matched, skills missing, and a detailed AI score breakdown, along with a clear recommendation to support with the hiring decisions. Additionally, if needed, we can easily rerun the AI evaluation by reattaching the resume and using the rescore option without having to modify the applicant details. Overall, the HR agent streamlines the screening process by providing structured, consistent insights, enabling faster and more informed hiring decisions. Thank you.